Teacheremma, you are welcome to today's video. Remember, I did a video about comparing numbers using greater than, less than, and equal to for the lower grades, for grade 1 to grade 4. All right, I have another video for you by popular request for grade 5 to grade 8. Okay, so this it's for you, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, grade 8. It's also comparing numbers. This time, we're going to look at huge numbers. Numbers in their 10,000s, 100,000s, and their millions. Okay, are you ready? Let's go! Before we get started, I want you to know that 4-digit numbers are greater than 3-digit numbers. Don't forget that. 5-digit numbers are greater than 4-digit numbers. Don't forget that. You know what follows, right? 6-digit numbers are greater than 5-digit numbers. Also, 7-digit numbers are greater than, let's say it together, 6-digit numbers. Good. 7-digit numbers are greater than 6-digit numbers. That is it. So don't forget. Now, the issue with most students is that they don't know what is greater than, less than. It mostly confuses students. All right. Remember that it's very easy to identify the greater than and then the less than symbols. But most students, as I said, they find it difficult to do that. So Teacheremma has a solution for you. What is the solution? The solution is that open the math. Okay, this is the math. Open the math. This is the math. This part is called math. Open the math to face the bigger number and then the tail to the small number. This is the tail. Okay, this is the tail. So the math will swallow the big number and the tail will kick the small number. That's what we learned in the previous video. All right, so let's use this in comparing huge values. Let's look at the number over here. We have 34,372 here on my left, and then we have 28,749,004 on my right. Now, remember the first trick. What's the first trick? The trick is that this is an 8-digit number. Okay, this is an 8-digit number, and this is a 5-digit number. Remember, 8-digit numbers are greater than 5-digit numbers. So automatically, this number on the right is greater. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 digits. 8 digits. Let's count the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits. Automatically, 8-digit numbers are greater than 5-digit numbers. So you see, we are swallowing the big number. It doesn't matter, okay? Swallow the big number and use the tail to kick the small number. Okay, so we have another example on the board. This time, let's also count the number of digits that we have. On my right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits over here. 6. And let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we also have 6 digits here. So what do we do? Well, since the number of digits are the same, what is the next step? Compare the numbers, okay? Compare the numbers. Now, take note, don't start from the ones place value. When you start at the ones place value, you make a mistake. Okay, start from the furthest number, okay? So over here, we have 4 and then we have 1. Automatically, 4 is greater than 1. That is how you compare it. After you have, if you get the same digits of numbers, start comparing from the furthest number. Don't start from the ones place value. No, start from the farthest number, okay? And we have 4 here and we have 1 here. Automatically, 4 is greater than 1. So, remember, you swallow the big number and then you kick the small number. So let's swallow the big number with our mouth and use the tail to kick the small number. That is it. Let's look at our very last example. You see, I have a very tricky question over here. So let's compare this number to this number. The first thing, remember, is to check the number of digits that we have. So on the right, let's check the number of digits that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 digits over here. That is the number on the right. Now let's check the number of digits that we have on the left. Let's count. Count with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Does it mean they are the same? Do you have to write equal to there? No, that is not it. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. What is the next thing? The next thing is to start comparing the numbers. But remember, you don't start from the ones place value. No, you have to go to the farthest number. So we have the farthest numbers over here. Now, what number is over here? We have 29. We also have 29 over here. Are they the same? No, don't be too quick to conclude. Let's check out the other numbers. What do we have here? Says 3, 2. Let's check the other side. Says 3, 2. They look the same. Well, shall I write equal to? No. Why? Because we are not done with the numbers over there. We have other set of numbers to look at. What are the other set of numbers to look at? We have 0, 9, 3. And over here, we have 1, 9, 3. So you see, automatically, this number is greater than this number. Why? Because here starts with 0, here starts with 1. So when comparing huge values, first of all, remember to count the number of digits that you have. Secondly, don't start comparing from the farthest numbers. And when you are doing that, make sure you have dealt with every single number before you conclude whether it is greater than, less than, or the same. And remember, you don't have to automatically know what the greater than sign and less than sign is. Teacher Yuma has given you a secret. What is the secret? You swallow the big number, then you kick the small number. So let's say it together. Swallow the big number, kick the small number. That is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you very much for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. Let me hear from you at the comment section. If there is any topic that you want me to talk to you about, if there is any topic you want me to explain, please do tell me. Let me hear from you at the comment section and you will see it on our YouTube channel. So until we have our next video, bye-bye.